Hi everyone, so today's recipe is a one-pot chicken and vegetable roast that is really easy to put together, and it's succulent, savory, and very tasty. I used 4 whole chicken legs to make a dinner for 4 people, and I'm starting out by peeling 1 bulb of garlic, cutting the end of each clove and smashing the clove to make the skin easy to remove. The chicken will be roasted over shimeiji mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. You can use any vegetable you like, including corn, potatoes, onions, and carrots. The vegetables and mushrooms go under the chicken, which I'm now going to season. The cloves of garlic are now going to be crushed with the garlic press. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons each of rosemary and oregano, and then sea salt and black pepper to taste. I'm going to work the seasoning into the chicken and then put it to bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The length of time really depends on the size of the chicken, but I usually go for half an hour covered and then maybe 20 minutes uncovered until it's golden brown and reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit on a meat thermometer. This is a really good meal to make ahead. It's very easy and also delicious. If you like this recipe, do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye!